Well, Keenan, we've reported in the past on the increased risk of rare blood clots with the J&J vaccine, and it is really rare. To give you an idea of how rare, it's about 3 cases per every million doses of the vaccine administered. But the FDA says based on what they found in a new investigation into these clots, they're placing some limits on the J&J vaccine. If you have access to Pfizer or Moderna, avoid the one-dose J&J shot. That's the message from the FDA after announcing Thursday it's limiting emergency use authorization of the J&J shot to those 18 and older who otherwise wouldn't get vaccinated, meaning other COVID vaccines aren't accessible or appropriate. The administration pointing to a real but rare risk of blood clots with J&J. Around the globe, COVID cases and deaths are lower than they've been in more than 2 years, according to the World Health Organization.
These trends, while welcome, don't tell the full story. Driven by Omicron subvariants, we're seeing an increase in reported cases in Americas and Africa.
Look no further than Southeast Michigan, now considered a medium risk for community transmission. In the Tri-County area, weekly COVID cases are up 21% in Oakland and Wayne counties and up 17% in Macomb. The state now averaging 2,706 new cases per day, up from just more than 2,000 last week. Doctors are urging those who are at high risk of severe illness from COVID to take precautions like once again masking up. This uptick fueled by the BA.2 Omicron subvariant. Around the country, hospital visits and deaths from the virus are poised to increase for the first time in months.
For the most part, people are well protected from the vaccines, but those that are unvaccinated make up a large portion of those that are in hospitals, as well as the elderly and immunocompromised patients that can't mount an effective immune response.
Now, according to Johns Hopkins, around the country, COVID cases have increased around 10% in the last week. You compare that to how much they've increased here in Southeast Michigan. You can see clearly we are outpacing that national average. Keenan, Alicia?
All right, Jen, I do have a question for you here. Now, with regards to that J&J shot, what about the people who took that shot months ago?
Yeah, and millions did, although those who have gotten the Johnson & Johnson vaccine only represent about 7% of those who are considered fully vaccinated. But the good news is that health officials say if you were at risk for getting that blood clot, chances are the symptoms of it would show up within the first few days or weeks after that injection. So keep that in mind if you got it months ago. Keenan?
All right. Thank you so much. Jen Shantz live for us this morning, breaking down